Hello everyone, I am Sai Jatan. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to do the unboxing of the OnePlus 9R device. As you can see, friends. So one more information is that I'll be getting the IQ007 as well. I did order the IQ007 as a pre-order. So very soon, once they ship it, I'll try to receive the phone, and then I'll try to compare mainly with the MI11X. So again, even I'll be using this OnePlus 9R as well to compare with the MI11X in every aspect. So even I do have the Snapdragon 888 processor MI11. I'll try to do the comparison with even with OnePlus 80 as well. So for the next today and the tomorrow, I'll be doing plenty of comparisons and lot of videos I'm gonna post in comparison with the OnePlus 9R particularly. So I'll be mainly focusing on comparing the MI11X versus the OnePlus 9R. So there is a big offer is going on, friends, for the OnePlus 9R at the moment in terms of exchange rate as well. So I did exchange my old phone, so with this phone, and right now you can see in the box as well. And don't forget to comment below in case if you want me to make any other comparisons in mainly with this OnePlus 9R device. So definitely I'll do my best to compare as much as videos, and I'll try to post very soon, friends, for most of the people. If you are interested to know how is the performance of the MI11X when you compare with this kind of OnePlus 9R device, so that is what my main focus will be there for the next few days. Because recently a lot of subscribers for my channel are for the MI11X users, so that's why I'll be trying to focus on that particular phone comparing with this phone. So let me in the comments below what are the comparisons you want me to do: camera, display, loudspeaker, performance, speed test, all those things I'll try to do as soon as possible at the earliest stage. So you do get in the box charger and the cable, and you do get the case inside the box and couple of warranty papers and a few stickers from the OnePlus as well. So it is the case, so which is not that standard, but it's kind of a little bit flexible, and the plastic. And these are the few OnePlus stickers and logos. So if you want, you can attach backside of the phone, I think, as you can see here. So these are a few details about the unboxing experience. But overall, this main my point of doing this kind of video is because I do want all of your suggestions, what comparisons you are expecting for me to compare with the OnePlus 9R particularly. I'll try to do as much as comparisons as soon as possible, so within a short amount of time. So today and tomorrow and after tomorrow, I'll try to upload as much as videos as possible on this OnePlus 9R, comparing in every aspect. So my main point of testing will be camera and the performance in the OnePlus. So let's see, friends, in upcoming days I'll get to know how is the performance of the OnePlus 9R. So is it worth of spending so many money or not? We'll get to know all those details. And we do have the screen guard pre-installed in this mobile phone as well. So right now the phone has got the 53% of the charging, so which is another good thing, so that I can test the few benchmarks things, and I can continue even the charging test. All those details I'll try to do right now. So let me try to set up everything, and I'll try to show you the internal RAM and what is the storage available out of the 128 GB. All those details I'll try to explain. So right now, as you can see, friends, these are the few applications which are installed in the phone at the moment. So there is not much bloatware present in this phone. That is another really good advantage with the OnePlus phones. So you don't get any kind of annoying unnecessary applications in the phone, so which is very basic and very simple. So there is nothing much complex as well. And overall 8 GB variant, as you can see, friends, clearly this 8 GB I did order, and out of 128 GB, so 113 GB is kind of free, as you can see, a free storage. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more videos, and do comment below what are the videos you want me to make. See you in the next video, friends. Until then.